Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Explore with Muniraj. And in this video, we are going to cover a new problem statement that is nothing but to print sum of digits of a number. So it is nothing but let's consider an example. User entered a number called 456, and from this, what is the sum of digits? Actually, we know the sum of digits is nothing but 4 plus 5 plus 6. So we get 4 plus 5 plus 6 is nothing but a 15. So in this format we are going to print the sum of digits of a number in this Python language. So first actually take input from this user. We know that actual method of taking input from this user is nothing but num is equals to int of input enter a number. So this is how we take the input from this user. Now we know that we are using this a while loop. Why can't for loop? Actually the major difference between while and for loop is, so for loop is used when we have a particular definite range. It nothing but the numbers are in between from 0 to 10 or 1 to 10. But while loop is used when the range is cannot defined. And here we are going to calculate sum of digits, right? Specify a variable called sum is equals to 0, and we have to access each number. That is nothing but digit is equals to num modulo 10, and sum is equals to sum plus digit. Num is equals to num floor 10. So let's see the output. What does we get? So after that I will explain with a test case. Watch till the end. So the sum of digits of num is, we are going to print the sum. So let's run this program and let's see what does we get as a output. After that I will explain how this code really works. And it asks that enter a number. Let us enter 123, and it gives that sum of 0. Okay, num value is updated here. In this previous problem we have said that num is updated. For that we have to use the temporary variable called temp is equals to num. That is the reason why we are using the temporary variable. Now we are going to print a. Now again let's save this program and let's run. What does we get as a output? So that is the reason why we use the temporary variable. Now let's enter our major example 456 as a user enter number, and let's see the sum of digits of 456 is the 15. So that is how we print the sum of the digits in this Python programming language. Now let's try with a test case. So this is the basic program for the sum of digits. Now suppose consider user entered number is 256. Actually we know that from here 256 is greater than 0, and by using this code digit is equals to 256 modulo 10. From this we get that 25.6, where modulus always gives a reminder, so that why we get as a 6. Now sum is equals to, actually from initial value we have specified that sum is equals to 0. So sum is equals to 0 plus from this digit is equals to 6. Sum is equals to sum plus digit, right? So we get that sum is equals to, sum is updated to the 6. Now num is equals to 256 floor 10. From this we get that 25.6, where floor always returns the digits before the decimal point. From this you will get it 25, where again num 25 is greater than 0. The condition is the true, and digit is equals to 25 modulo 10 2.5. From this modulus always gives the reminder, so we get the 5, and sum is equals to 6 plus 5. From this first condition where sum is updated to the 6, and where sum is equals to 6 plus 5 is nothing but digit is equals to 5. So total we get as 11, and num is equals to 25 floor 10, where you will get a 2.5, where floor always returns a number before the decimal point. From this you get a 2. Again 2 is greater than 0, and digit is equals to 2 modulo 10 0.2, where from this you will get a 2, where sum is updated from here 11. So 11 plus digit is nothing but a 2. So total you get as a 13, where num is equals to 12 floor 2 floor 10. From this you will get a 0.2. Num is updated as the 0. That is why in this condition we use temporary variable, where finally num is updated to 0. To avoid that we use the temporary variable to store the num, where the condition is the false and the loop stops, and finally we get as a sum of digits is nothing but sum of digits of 256 number is the 13. So that is the test cases to print the sum of digits. So thank you. If you have any doubts, please go through the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.